Hey everyone, and in particular, hey agencies. I've got a big one for you today. We have finally reached 100% white label. So now if you have clients and you want to give them logins to Socialmonials in order for them to either approve posts that you put out, to view reports in real time instead of the old dump it into Excel and then make it look pretty and send it out to them every week. Forget all that. Just give them a login to Socialmonials. Give them access to only the things that you want them to access. Make it look like your brand. And now you can also add a chat widget that matches your branding and also comes to your staff. So if your clients have questions, it goes to your staff. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute here. The agency dashboard you all know how to get to. White label is right here, and just a reminder, white label will only be accessible to those with 5 or more codes. If you scroll down to the bottom, go to other settings, and just like before, you can swap out the tutorial video link for yours, you can swap out the support portal link for yours, and now there's an additional checkbox here to replace our chat widget with yours. So in the script field, just click anywhere in there and paste your widget from your chat provider and click save. Now watch what happens to the chat. Now it's using the agency chat widget. So now what happens is every single workspace that is attached to this agency dashboard, as you'll see here, will have our new agency widget. One word of warning though, now your internal staff, if they have questions for Socialmonials, you're going to have to go to the Socialmonials front end website to reach us, because that's the only place our chat widget will be found. Good luck with this, and I'm really happy you guys stuck with us on our journey to finally get here, but now everything is white label. If you guys come across anything that shows Socialmonials that a user would experience, as the owner of the agency and the account owner, you will still see some Socialmonials branding in areas of the software that only you can access. But if you see anything that even a sub-user that has admin rights to, if you see something that says Socialmonials, please let us know, and we will work on getting rid of that as well. But this was the big last thing, the last piece of the puzzle that we wanted to deliver. That's it. Let us know in the chat widget if you have any questions.